So I went to the store last night and I got a ton of stuff for my daughter. It's Easter weekend and created a basket. Today will be like more of a gift basket and tomorrow will be the Easter basket. I forgot the carrots and the lettuce or cabbage, for the Easter bunny. And I know it's going to be a big deal. And I literally have 20 minutes to run back to Fred Meyer and grab a couple of carrots for the Easter bunny tonight. So when the Easter bunny comes to hide the eggs, they can have some food. So here I am. I'm going to run to the store. This is what I have so far, but now I need to go get those carrots. All right, now we're ready, and I got about 5 minutes to spare.